Riri arutwo a university mwaka wa mbere matanyitwo kuingira university kwambiriria mweri ukite mateta no mathiite na mbere kwiyumiria iguru rigie mutaratara uria urahuthikire kugereka arutwo kuringana na mabataro na ni thutha wa gicunje kinene kia arutwo kuma miciri itari no hoti gwikora ikundi-ini ngurani na matanya mao.
In our local schools to produce students who can go there.
Mateta maya macungiriirie ndereti hio hindi ya gikaro kia bunge ya bururi abunge makienda kumenya uria mutaratara mweru wa ugai wa kigina kia university urahingiriria jama kirima arutwo aria matari na uhoti kuona hari ikundi ithano iria cigayanitio kuringana na mabataro ma o murutwo aingi maigetwo gikundi-ini gia kana na gia gatano aya ari arutwo aria aciari ao mari na uhoti wa kibesha.
The issue the schools of a school somebody attended is very misleading. Parents sacrifice to even do those fundraisers so that kids can go to good schools for a better life, not that they can afford it.
Can you use gender to define means? Is it that male gender is of they are richer or the other gender is richer or poorer? It really doesn't make sense.
Akiaria hindi ya gikaro giki mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa githomo kia ngathi cia iguru Beatrice Inyangala atariirie ati namba nene ya arutwo matiaheyanire riboti nginyaniru magiiki ihoya ria kwamukira ngombo na scholarship akiuga gicunje kia 80 hari igana kia arutwo aya maihoririe ati mareretwo ni muciari umwe wa mutumia.
Our children have declared that 80% of them, 80% of the 125,000 who applied are from single mothers. Yes, and 70% have declared that their families earn 5,995 and less. So we are dealing with issues of accuracy with data.
Hamwe na maundu mangĩ maria macungiriirie arutwo aingi gwikora ikundi-ini iria itamagiriire ni kwaga kuheana riboti nginyaniru ya thukuru kuria murutwo athomagira na kana ni amukagira uteithio wa basari kana athomaga kuhitukira harambe.
Grounds for appeal are, for example, if a student went to a high cost school but they were sponsored, so it is usually not very obvious to us until they provide additional information to show that either there was a harambe or they had a guardian or a sponsor.
Thegia ya kugeria gutetera mutaratara uyu abunge riu marenda uthurimu weru na ikiro cia kugereka mabataro ma arutwo kuigananio hatari mundu ugutigirirwo.
They need to give us timelines and dates when these MTIs issue are going to be reviewed per the variables, so that they reflect on the needs on the ground.
Why can't the ministry visit the household of these particular students to determine by seeing the level of poverty?
Ihinda-ini riu makiendekithia kunyitithanio gwa kigina kia mathomo kuma kuri honge itiganite na wabici cia atongoria ngurani niguo guthondeka bodi imwe ya mbeca cia mathomo ma ngathi cia iguru.
The same parents will go to the MCA, go to the MP, go to the women rep, go to the governor, end up with everybody collecting money for the same cause. If you can realign this, our problem will be solved overnight.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Gitagwo Ngina wa Wadirwa.